All good things must come to an end. All good things must come to an end. After explaining the meaning of this proverb, it teaches how to apply it to life, overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. Hello everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial, where we'll be exploring the powerful proverb, all good things must come to an end. We'll dive into its meaning and discover how understanding and applying this concept can help you overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success in your life. So, let's get started. All good things must come to an end is a wise saying that reminds us life is full of changes, and nothing lasts forever. Like the seasons, our experiences ebb and flow, and the moments we cherish will eventually give way to new experiences. This awareness can help us appreciate the good times, prepare for the challenging ones, and cultivate resilience in the face of change. The first step in applying this proverb to your life is to accept the impermanence of everything around you. Whether it's a job, a relationship, or a personal accomplishment, it's essential to acknowledge that things will change. By embracing this truth, you'll develop a more flexible mindset and be better equipped to adapt to new situations. Next, let's talk about overcoming difficulties. When you understand that all good things must come to an end, you can also recognize that this applies to the challenging times in your life. They, too, will pass. This perspective can help you stay grounded during tough moments, knowing that they are temporary and will eventually give way to better experiences. Remember that every end is a new beginning, and hardships are often opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Now, let's discuss how this proverb can help you attract luck. When you believe that all good things must come to an end, you might be more inclined to take risks and seize opportunities when they arise. After all, you know that these chances won't last forever. By being open to change and pursuing new experiences, you'll be more likely to create your own luck, rather than waiting for it to come to you. Moreover, this mindset encourages you to make the most of the present moment. When you fully appreciate the good things in your life, you'll be more attuned to the opportunities around you. This increased awareness, combined with a willingness to embrace change, can help you attract positive experiences and create your own success. Finally, let's look at how this proverb can help you achieve success. Success is often built on a foundation of learning, growth, and adaptation. By understanding that all good things must come to an end, you'll be more likely to embrace new challenges and push yourself to develop new skills and knowledge. This continuous growth is the key to achieving long-term success, as it allows you to adapt to the ever-changing world around you. In conclusion, the proverb, all good things must come to an end, is a powerful reminder of the impermanence of life and the importance of adaptability. By embracing this truth, you can develop a more resilient mindset, better navigate difficulties, and create opportunities for luck and success. Remember to appreciate the present moment, seize opportunities when they arise, and stay committed to growth and self-improvement. Thank you for joining us in this video tutorial. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the meaning of this timeless proverb and how it can transform your life. Keep this wisdom in mind as you face the inevitable changes life brings, and use it as a guiding principle in your journey toward success. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.